There was a lady that I was working with, and she actually said to me, Kerri, I hate my vibrato. And this is the thing. Her vibrato was absolutely beautiful. It was one of those vibratos that every singer wants, and yet she didn't like it. And so when I asked her, why is it that you don't like your vibrato? She then told me that she auditioned for a show and she was rejected because they actually said to her, sorry, you're not suitable because you sing with too much vibrato. And from that point on, she decided that vibrato was a bad thing and that vibrato made her a bad singer. And so once again, when we were able to dig deep and find the reason why she didn't like her voice and really deal with that, I was able to assure her that her vibrato was absolutely beautiful. It's actually something that every singer covets. And just because one person thinks it's not suitable doesn't make her a bad singer. So it's really important to dig deep and deal with it. Find out what is the reason why you don't like your voice, or what is the reason why you have negative feelings towards your voice, and deal with it.